What do you see?
I see a bird.
What do you eat?
I eat rice.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
What do you read?
I read a book.
What do you write?
I write a letter.
What do you learn?
I learn English.
What do you make?
I make a cake.
What do you cook?
I cook fish.
What do you play?
I play football.
What do you watch?
I watch TV.
What do you clean?
I clean my room.
What do you think?
I think about my future.
What do you know?
I know the answer.
What do you love?
I love my family.
What do you like?
I like mangoes.
What do you hate?
I hate lies.
What do you need?
I need help.
What do you believe?
I believe in God.
What do you send?
I send a message.
What do you throw?
I throw a stone.
What do you draw?
I draw a picture.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
What do you fix?
I fix the computer.
What do you sell?
I sell vegetables.
What do you use?
I use a computer.
What do you practice?
I practice English.
What do you ask?
I ask a question.
What do you want?
I want some water.